We can reduce the machine working speed and cut one piece to check the folding performance is proper or not, and make one piece labor go through the complete folding procedure to the stacking unit. And now we can find the stacking position is not proper. We can turn this white handle to make the stacking enough area. And for future, this when the machine used too long time, maybe the guide is loose. We can turn this 4 bolts to a little tight it. Then we can try to run the machine slowly. And check each procedure is proper or not. Now we can find the folding, after the folding, the pressing and unloading unit is pressed too much. The down plate, the round corner plate, it's too much front. We can loose these bolts and make the front section a little backward. We should make this round corner section enough short, just enough to pick the finished labor out. To next step is okay. Normally maybe 2 mm something, according to the different material of the labor. Then we fix it. Now we can install the center plate for the stacking system. This plate is only used for the center fold. For mitre or end fold, no need this plate.
对折的时候一定要这个的，因为它宽，那个好像是宽度好像是只有那个两边折的一半了，有的。这边用不到了。
And for the center folding, we may use this stacking assist parts, like a wire, steel wire. Then we check the position, the parts position. Remember to on the top of the electromagnetic pressure, there is a switch. This switch is turn on or turn off the electric pusher. This switch only can turn on when the pusher is back moving. Adjust this center plate position to make the finished labor out properly. And for this top stacking assist part, for the narrow labor, maybe we'll only use the right side one. And for wide labor, we may use 2 pieces, left side and right side. We adjusted according to different conditions.